The law of conservation of energy states that the total energy of an isolated system is constant. Energy can be transformed from one form to another, but can be neither created nor destroyed. First law of thermodynamics. For over 70 years, the name Livernois has been synonymous with quality in heat exchange manufacturing. Since 1966, the name Tridan has been associated with the manufacture of robust equipment for the heat transfer industry. Imagine the potential if these two companies were integrated, allowing new applications to be leveraged from the combined technologies of each. Now, envision this combined engineering force supplemented with advanced heat exchange technologies and unique solutions such as those developed by innovative automation. The need to transfer heat permeates our everyday lives, from environmental conditioning to food storage and preparation, to industrial and chemical processing. The ability to transfer heat has been critical to our existence since the first cave dwellers rubbed two sticks together. The ability to harness that transfer in devices of heat exchange is arguably one of the most important developments of humankind. Advances in medicine, computers, electric vehicles, aviation, and space exploration may be more exciting, but they are all possible because of advancements in the field of heat transfer. Heat transfer devices come in a variety of shapes and styles. Specific heat transfer technologies have been developed based upon the needs of unique applications in a given industry. Consequently, manufacturing methods have been developed to support these technologies. As each technology has evolved, it has borrowed methods from other advancements in a never-ending effort to be optimized, ultimately creating a unique solution. Now, thanks to the integration of three innovative and experienced heat exchange companies under common ownership, the methods for manufacturing heat exchange devices can finally leverage the available technologies used across all heat exchange markets. Cross-utilization of heat exchange manufacturing technologies, coupled with the custom automation solutions provided by innovative automation, further improve the potential of this new synergistic relationship. No longer are the advancements on the manufacturing floor limited to individual operations. Improvements through custom automation can now accommodate the entire production process. The result is process improvements from material acquisition through production, packaging, and delivery to the customer. Optimization of the manufacturing process will be achieved not only through providing better expanders, roll formers, and other heat exchange equipment, but also improvements in material handling between processes, as well as automating primary and secondary operations. Better Together represents a cross-functional engineering and technology resource that can deliver unique solutions for today's heat exchange manufacturing processes, as well as provide unique solutions for the challenges of tomorrow. From flat fin forming to folded fin forming to rolled fin forming, from expanding to swaging, from stacking to lacing, from start of production to delivery, from today's technology to the technologies of the future. Better Together can leverage over 140 years of excellence and utilize the latest innovations to provide unique solutions for your unique heat exchange applications. Contact us today to see how we can support your heat exchange needs.